Hello everyone, welcome to my medical coding tutorial series. In this playlist, we are diving into the CPT guidelines for the integumentary system. I have divided this tutorial into easily understandable parts. For each section, I will go through CPT guidelines with relevant examples. Integumentary system coding guidelines, part 7, skin replacement surgery. Number 13, skin graft, skin replacement surgery. This is the continuation of previous parts, so please check the playlist. So this includes the codes 15,002 to 15,278. So the overview of this skin replacement surgery. The skin replacement surgery refers to surgical procedures that restore skin coverage over a wound or defect by using skin graft or skin substitute materials. These procedures are performed after adequate wound preparation to promote healing, protect underlying structures, and restore function and appearance. So, the clinical indications for this skin replacement surgery are burns, that is thermal, chemical, or electrical, traumatic wounds such as avulsion and degloving, surgical excisions such as tumors or infections, chronic non-healing ulcers, and scar construction release. So those kind of things needs skin replacement surgery. So in CPT, skin replacement surgery includes two major components. First one is surgical preparation of the recipient side. Second one, application of skin graft or skin substitute material. So let's go to the surgical preparation of recipient side. This includes the code 15,002 to 005. So the surgical preparation is the active surgical process of removing non-viable tissue to create a clean, viable wound bed suitable for placement of a graft or skin substitute. So this may include excision of devitalized tissue, removal of bone eschar, excision of scar tissue or contraction release, removal of necrotic or infected tissue. So CPT code categories include 15,002 to 3 anatomic area, trunk, arms, legs. 04 to 05 include other areas like face, scalp, eyelids, mouth, neck, ears, orbits, genitalia, hand, and feet. So the measurement rules, so measured in square centimeters or percentage of body surface area. So first 100 square centimeter or less is reported with the base code, and add-on codes are used for each additional 100 square centimeter or 1% body area. So here are some important coding guidelines you have to note that surgical preparation is not a routine wound cleaning, and do not report for simple dressing changes, chronic wound debridement alone, or the intent must be immediate or delayed graft placement. Here may be reported one per anatomic grouping per session. So let's see some example to understand this. So the question 34, this is the continuation of previous parts. Surgical preparation codes 15,002 to 005 are reported when the provider A. cleans the wound with saline before dressing, B. performs routine wound care only, C. excises devitalized tissue to prepare for skin graft placement, D. performs negative pressure wound therapy only. So think the answer. So here the correct answer is surgical preparation codes are used for excises devitalized tissue to prepare for skin graft placement. Question number 35. A patient requires surgical preparation of a 125 square centimeter traumatic wound on the right thigh. How should this be reported? So there are answers available. In the exam, you can use the elimination method, but for the learning purpose, I'll use the alphabetic index method. So here you have to highlight this is surgical preparation of 125 square centimeter traumatic wound on the right thigh. So in the CPT alphabetic index, you have to search for the main index term preparation, because here is the surgical preparation. Then go for the subterm skin graft. It will lead you to the following codes. 15,002 to 005. So let's go to the codes and check. 15,002 is surgical preparation or creation of recipient site by excision of open wounds, burn scar or scar, including subcutaneous tissues, or incisional release of scar contracture, trunk, arms, legs. First 100 square centimeter. So trunk, arms, leg. Here in our case it's thigh. So thigh included in the legs. So first 100 centimeter you had to use this 15,002, and each additional 100 centimeter you had to use the additional code 15,003. So here is 125. So you had to use the both codes. So the correct answer will be answer B, that is 15,002 and 003. So now let's come to the skin graft general concepts. A skin graft is the transplantation of skin from a donor side to a recipient side to replace lost or damaged skin. Here the key terminologies are donor side, that is area from which skin is harvested. Recipient site is area receiving the graft. Autograft means skin taken from the same patient. Skin substitute mean non-autologous biologic or synthetic material. The first type of skin graft mentioned here is tissue cultured skin and skin cell suspension autografts. So let's take the first one, that is tissue cultured skin autograft. It's a procedure where a harvested skin is processed and expanded in a laboratory to create a larger quantity of skin for grafting. So key codes here are 15,014, that is harvest of skin for tissue cultured autograft, first 100 square centimeter or less. 15,054 pinch graft, that is small pieces of skin placed into a wound bed. Second one is skin cell suspension autograft. Here a technique where harvested skin is synthetically processed into a suspension of skin cells, which is then sprayed or applied to the wound. So code categories include 15,011 to 12, that is harvest of skin, 13 to 14, preparation of skin cell suspension, 15 to 18, application to the recipient site. So here the key rules include harvest, preparation and application may be separately reported and primary dressings are included. Donor site repair requiring graft or flap is separately reportable. So let's see some examples. A surgeon harvests 30 square centimeter of skin for a skin cell suspension autograft SCSA. Which code reports the harvest? So it's asking for the reporting of harvest. So there are codes available. So you can use the elimination method, but for learning purpose, I'll use the index method. So in the CPT alphabetic index wise, you have to go to the main term autograft, then go to the subterm skin cell suspension, then the term harvest. This directs you to CPT codes 15,011 and 12. Once you come to the tabular list, you can see 15,011 is harvest of skin for skin cell suspension autograft, first 25 centimeter or less. Our case is 30. So first 25 you had to use this one. And for each additional 25 square centimeter or part thereof, you had to use 15,012. So the correct answer will be answer B. It's include 15,011 and 15,012. Next type of skin graft is split thickness skin graft. So the definition is a split thickness skin graft includes entire epidermis and the portion of dermis. So the common uses include large wounds, burns, areas requiring faster graft take. Anatomic grouping includes trunk, arms and legs are one group, face, scalp, eyelids, mouth, neck, ears, genitalia and hands, feet are another group. So measurement, first 100 square centimeter or less is one code category, and add-on codes for each additional 100 square centimeter or 1% body area. So here some coding notes available. Donor site closure is included with this, and for eyelids refer to separate CPT guidance for eyelids repair, and for multiple wounds in same anatomic grouping are summoned. If multiple skin graft done in the same anatomic group, you have to add all the measurement to one number. So let's see some examples. A split thickness autograft is applied to a 250 square centimeter defect on the patient's back. What are the correct codes? So there are answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to go for the alphabetic index. Main term, search term is skin graft, and the subterms are split graft. So when you go for split graft, you can see 15,100, 101, 120 and 120 codes are available there. So once you read the code description, 15,100 is split thickness autograft, trunk, arms, legs, first 100 square centimeter or less. In our case, is 250 square centimeter back. So back including the trunk. So for first 100 centimeter, you had to use this 15,100 plus 15,101 for each additional 100 square centimeter or each additional 1% of body area of infants and children or part thereof. So here after 100, there's 150 available. So two parts, 100 and another 50. So you had to use 15,100 plus 15,101 into 2. So the correct answer will be answer A. Next type is full thickness skin graft. So a full thickness skin graft includes entire epidermis and entire dermis. The clinical characteristics are better cosmetic results, require smaller wound size, and slower graft take than split thickness graft. So when the full thickness skin graft take more time to heal. So the full thickness skin graft code groupings are 15,200 to 201 for trunk, arms, legs, 220 to 221 for scalp, face, ears, eyelids, mouth, neck, 240 to 41 free grafts. There are multiple regions, and 260 to 61 nose, ears, eyelids, and lips. Key coding rules are direct closure of the donor site is included. Repair of the donor site requiring graft or flap is separately reportable. Size-based coding applies. So let's see some examples. A patient receives a 35 square centimeter full thickness graft on the right arm. How should this be coded? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT codebook and find the answer. So here you have to search for the main term skin graft and subterm free skin graft and the subterm full thickness. It will lead you to the all code series here. So once you go to the code, 15,220 is full thickness graft free including leg closure of donor site, scalp, arms and legs 20 square centimeter or less. In our case, it is 30 square centimeter right arm. So right arm, you can see arms here. So it is included in 220. So first 20 is included by 15,220. In additional 20, you had to use 15,221. So the correct answer will be a 15,220 and 221. Let's do another example. Coding for 12 square centimeter full thickness graft on the nose is reported with. So there are 4 answers available. So once you go to the code, 15,240 is full thickness graft free, including direct closure of donor side, forehead, cheeks, chin, mouth, neck, axilla, genitalia, hands or feet, 20 square centimeter or less. In our case, 12 square centimeter in the nose. So nose, you have to be careful. This is not included here. When you go to the other code, 15,260 is full thickness graft free, including direct closure of donor side, nose, ears, eyelids. So you have to be careful. The head region, there are several parts. Mouth included in one code and nose is included in another code. So correct code here will be answer B, 15,260. Final section is skin substitute graft. Skin substitute grafts are non-autologous materials used to replace or support skin healing. These may be human-derived, that is allografts, animal-derived, that is xenograft, or synthetic or biologic materials. So the code structures and code ranges include like this. 15,271 to 72 include trunk, arms, legs less than 100 centimeter, and 73 to 74 include same thing, trunks, arms, legs more than 100 square centimeter. Similarly, 275 to 76 face and specialized areas. 277 to 78 is large surface area wound. So the important coding guidelines include supply of skin substitute is reported separately. Do not report simple dressings. Do not combine lower area and higher area codes for the same wound. So measurement is based on recipient side. So let's see some example to understand this. Question number 40. A skin substitute is applied to a 130 square centimeter wound on the trunk. What are the correct codes? So there are answers available. Take your CPT codebook and find the answer. So here, when you go to the codes, 15,271 is application of skin substitute graft to trunk, arms, legs, total wound surface area up to 100 centimeter, first 25 centimeter or less wound surface area. So this is a critical code. So you have to be understand what this mean by. So up to 100 centimeter, first 20 centimeter you have to use this code, then additional 25 centimeter you have to use this code. For example, if the graft area is 75 centimeter, so that is less than 100 centimeter. So you have to use this code, and for first 25 centimeter, that is this code, and so additional 25 20 you have to use this one. Like that is go on. But in our case, it is 130 square centimeter. So 130 mean more than 100. So you have to go come to the this code series. So you can see 15,273 is application of skin substitute graft to trunk, arms, legs, total wound surface area greater than or equal to 100 centimeter. So in our case, 130. So for the first 100 square centimeter, you have to use this 15,273, and each additional 100 square centimeter, you had to use this code. So in our case, this is 130. So first 100 you had to use this, and second 30 you had to use this one. So the correct answer will be answer B. Finally, let's look at some measurement and multiple wound rules. So measure the recipient site only. Combine wounds within the same anatomic grouping. Do not combine wounds from different anatomic regions, and use add-on codes correctly. One primary code per anatomic group per session. So primary code 1, then you can use the add-on codes. So common coding errors here are reporting surgical preparation for routine debridement and incorrect surface area calculation. So you have to be careful when calculating the surface area. So this is the end of this skin graft part. If you have any issues, feel free to leave in the comment section, or else you can contact me using WhatsApp and email addresses. Please subscribe my channel and keep in touch. Thank you.